Morning guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Let's open my advent calendars and go to have some breakfast, because I get messages from you guys saying that you enjoy the breakfast part so much and that you even go and make the same breakfast. So also every morning I wake up to a bunch of messages on Insta stories or Snapchat with you guys showing me these cracker and cheese snacks. That's just hilarious. It cracks me up so much that so many of you guys went and got them. Okay, let's see what we've got today. Let's open Kiel's calendar first. Ooh, amino acid conditioner. So one of the days was actually amino acid shampoo. I tried it, I really liked it. So I'm gonna give the conditioner a go. Oh, it's actually with pure coconut and jojoba oils. So that should smell amazing. Nice, thank you, Kiels. Okay, day 13 here. Okay, it's this little milk chocolate bar. Hello, beautiful. Look. Look at his eyes. So yellow. Okay, let's do Lancome day 13 here. Super cute. It is a gentle makeup remover milk with papaya extract. Nice, never tried Lancome's cleansing milks. So that's gonna be the first one. This is Klaipėda's second Christmas tree. We have two. The reason this one has fish on it, it's because it's port town. Look how beautiful our Meridiana's tall ship is. There's a restaurant in there. And here's a pub, the Portobello. Trying to find the place I have to be at. But another pub. It's quite scary walking these empty streets. I'm at La Maison du Croissant. It's empty, so that's gonna be my office. I'm so full of English breakfast tea, but now I'm going to my cousin Daiva. She said come over for tea, and I took 2 of my cupcakes. I wrapped them for her, so I'm gonna bring those. Okay, so it seems that yesterday's Vlogmas will go live a little bit later tonight because I'm still not going home. So here are the cupcakes for one cousin and cupcakes for another cousin that I baked and wrapped for them. So yeah, off to me, Daiva. It's really chilly today. I did loads of work, loads of emails, had some phone calls with the brands I'm currently working, trying to figure things out. Daiva told me to choose from a bunch of cosmetics. I think I'm gonna have this one. What is it called? Imperial? Imperial label. this one, please. It's like vanilla and orange blossom. Daiva is watching my vlogmas and she's like, why are you drinking tea at mine and not editing and uploading? Gotta enjoy life sometimes, right? Look, she has Christmassy candle burning and we've got some Christmas music. So that's perfect. I have a very unhealthy obsession with French fries. Drive through again. Labas vakaras. So I spent a couple of hours with Daiva. We had a very nice catch up, some tea. She kept a couple of the jumpers. So I think tomorrow I'll bring the rest of the clothes to my cousin Linda for her to look through. And then donate the rest. Now I just want my fries. I have such a bad craving. This season it's unstoppable. I cannot say no to them. Well, I was close to McDonald's, so of course I had to stop. Labas vakaras. Ačiū ir jums. This is happiness when you get French fries. So yummy. I forgot to ask for sauce.
And I didn't want to write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you and she likes everyone.
So guys, I'm back home and this was my outfit. I wore my new white jumper that I got recently from Kruta, and then my Bershka dark green trousers with the red, black and white stripe on the side, and some heeled booties, my aviator jacket, baker boy hat and a big scarf. And oh my goodness, yesterday's Vlogmas is still not live. I have to choose the winner really quickly, do last bit of editing and publish it. And look how sweet my mom is. She said because this year I didn't get you an advent calendar, she got me this set of all kinds of chocolates. So she said, eat a new one every day. That is so sweet of her. And I'm sure they will be super yummy. So I finished editing and uploaded the vlog. It's 15 to midnight and I'm still working. I've been sent interview questions to answer. I'm not entirely sure when it will be published, but I will let you know on my Insta stories how many questions there are. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions. So yeah, some of them are really short, but some of them I need to answer in depth. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and then I'll probably go take my makeup off and yeah, I don't know, I want to do yoga before sleeping tonight because I also want to start yoga with Adrian's 30-day yoga camp. I did that maybe I think over a year ago. She did 30-day yoga camp and I did her program every single day. Nearly a year ago she released another one, 31-day kind of yoga camp. So I might start from day one today because I love yoga with Adrian. She's amazing, and after her yoga sessions you just feel so good. So I might do that once I'm done with the interview. Still burning my Jo Malone candle. Honestly, it's so amazing. It smells so glorious. So thank you so much to the girl who sent it to me. And look at my tree. Oh, it looks so pretty and so festive in the background. And Louis is right there on the couch sleeping. So I've got to start with the questions. time for me to announce the giveaway of the day. I'm really tired and sleepy. It's 3:30 at night, so I'm ready to hit the bed. But this is the prize of the day. It's these two Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. One is in the color Some Nerve, which is a purple shade. And the other one is in a red color called Thrill Seeker. And this is what it looks like. So you'll be receiving these two beautiful Smashbox matte liquid lipsticks, and if you don't know, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is follow me on Instagram, like this picture, and in the comment section leave the hashtag Chanel@Vlogmas, tag 2 of your friends, or just simply 2 people, 2 Instagram accounts that inspire you. Good night, I will see you tomorrow.